Crafting strong thesis statements, the backbone of your essay. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a crucial element of academic writing, the thesis statement. Have you ever wondered what makes a thesis statement compelling? Stick around, and we'll uncover the key characteristics of a strong thesis statement. At the heart of every compelling essay is a central claim or argument, the thesis statement. It provides direction and sets the tone for the entire paper. Think of it as a GPS for your readers, guiding them through your arguments and helping them understand your main point. For a thesis statement to be effective, it should have the following characteristics. 1. Specificity. A strong thesis is specific and narrow, not broad. It zeroes in on your main point. 2. Broad. Cars have an impact on the environment. 3. Specific. Electric cars reduce greenhouse gas emissions, making them a more eco-friendly alternative to traditional gasoline vehicles. 4. Arguability. It should present a claim or argument that people might disagree with. 5. Not arguable. The sky is blue. 6. Arguable. Introducing mandatory uniforms in schools can improve student focus and reduce peer pressure. 7. Clarity. Your thesis should be clear and concise, avoiding vague words. 8. Vague. Several factors affect obesity. 9. Clear. Sedentary lifestyles, unhealthy diets, and genetic factors contribute significantly to obesity rates in urban areas. 10. Positionality. It takes a stand on an issue rather than merely stating a fact. 11. Fact. World War II ended in 1945. 12. Position. World War II's aftermath paved the way for the Cold War due to the growing mistrust between the USA and the USSR. 13. Supportability. Your claim should be something you can support with evidence from your research or readings. 14. Unsupported. Aliens built the pyramids. 15. Supported. The construction of the pyramids in ancient Egypt can be attributed to innovative engineering techniques and a well-organized labor force. Remember, your thesis statement might evolve as you conduct more research or refine your arguments. It's okay to revisit and tweak it for clarity and strength. A robust thesis statement not only guides your readers but also provides you with a roadmap as you write. It keeps you focused on your central claim, ensures your essay remains cohesive and sticks to the main point, helps readers understand your perspective and the direction of your paper. And that wraps up our exploration of the thesis statement. By ensuring your thesis is specific, arguable, clear, takes a position, and is supportable, you're well on your way to crafting an essay that's both compelling and persuasive. Here's hoping this video has shed light on the art of crafting a powerful thesis statement. Happy writing!